Hi friends, welcome back to Afrofusion Foods. Did you know you don't have to get to the restaurant or somewhere else before you can enjoy delicious meal at a cheaper price? And so I've washed this chicken drumstick with lime. So I'm just going to make it clean, and then I added some salt. I'm coming in with herbs and spices. As I mentioned earlier in my other videos, I don't use seasoning cubes. If you are still using seasoning cubes to cook your meal, you're sleeping on it. Health-wise, it's so good. So I added pepper, I added all my seasoning, and I added paprika and some oil, vegetable oil. Then we let it marinate for a few minutes. You can place it over the night. I came in there with rosemary leaves. Just add your herbs and spices as I mentioned. Then I added some breadcrumbs. You don't need egg to wash your chicken before you put your breadcrumbs. So I added the breadcrumbs. Then I'm bringing it now inside my air fryer. I tell you, I don't fry chicken anymore. I don't use oil or something. I just use my air fryer. Here it is half done. For me, particularly, it is half done. For some people, they might think it's still okay for them, but I let it get more crunchy by letting it get well done. So you can see how it looks. I tell you, it was so perfect, just like the one a chef will cook for you at the restaurant. So I'm pairing it here now with the potato fries, the potato chips. Then your delicious restaurant meal is ready in few minutes, just at the comfort of your home. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe. Bye-bye.